Hi friends, in this video we have studied that the cam and follower. Cam and follower, that is the topic of theory of machine second. Okay, in this video, in previous lecture we have seen that the motion of follower means classification of follower. There are the four types of the classification of follower motion, that is the uniform velocity, simple harmonic motion, uniform velocity and retardation, and cycloid motion. This is the classification of follower motion. In previous video we have seen that the detailed study of the uniform velocity, in previous lecture we have seen that the uniform motion of the follower, that is the uniform velocity. In this video we have seen that the classification of the second classification is the simple harmonic motion. Simple harmonic motion. In this video we have studied the simple harmonic motion, then how it is draw the simple harmonic motion, that is the displacement diagram. Roughly we have seen that is the we have this diagram we have seen that this is the x axis, sorry, y axis, this is the x axis. Okay, it's the x axis, in which x axis, that is the cam angle. In x axis, that is the cam angle. X axis is the displacement, how to draw, we roughly draw that is, and then the procedure we have seen that is this is the displacement diagram, and this is the displacement diagram, and this is the displacement diagram. Okay, okay, point, it is called as a point 0 to 1 2 0. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, then again 5, and then 6. Okay, then 7 8 9 10 11, and then 12. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11, and then 12. This is the rough diagram of the simple harmonic motion. Okay, then how it is draw the simple harmonic motion, that is the displacement diagram, means method to finding or to drawing the displacement diagram. We have seen the one by one step. First step, draw the semicircle taking the lift S as a diameter. First step will be the draw the semicircle taking lift S as a diameter. S as a diameter. First step will be the draw the semicircle taking the lift S as a diameter. S diameter is given as a problem, so that the S diagram is nothing but that this diagram will be S diameter we have taken as a semicircle in a y axis, that is the displacement. Okay, second step will be the divide the semicircle into equal number of parts. Say 6. Means divide the semicircle into the equal number of parts. Equal number of parts means this semicircle is divided the equal number of parts, that is the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 12. This is the equal number of part of the semicircle divided. And third step will be the divide the angular displacement of cam during outstroke and return stroke. Outstroke and the return stroke into same number of parts, so it is called as the say 6. Okay, third step will be the divide the angular displacement of the cam during the outstroke and return stroke into the number of the parts, say 6. Okay, in which the outstroke, this is the outstroke part, this is the intermediate part, and this is the return stroke. It's a divide the angular displacement of cam during the outstroke and return stroke, divide the same equal number of parts, that is called as the say at is the 6 parts is divided the 6 part. Okay, then fourth will be the point 0 to 6, the point 0 to 6 on semicircle are projected across the corresponding position of the cam angles as shown in figure. Fourth step will be the point 0 to 6 on semicircle are projected across the corresponding position of the cam angles. Suppose this is the cam angle and this is the projected semicircle in which the projected line like that, and this is the intersection point, then projected this point is known as the equal parts, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then next step will be the curve joining the intersection of the above point represent the displacement curve as shown in figure. figure. Fifth step will be the curve joining intersection of the above points represent the displacement curve as in figure. Okay, this is the method to drawing the displacement diagram. Displacement diagram, that is a simple harmonic motion. We have seen then again how to draw. First step will be the draw the semicircle. Draw the semicircle means suppose this is the, okay, we have seen that this is the, yes, this x-axis is called as the cam angle. Okay, draw the semicircle as a diameter. Diameter is S diameter. Suppose this is the diameter of the S. Okay, this is the center. This is the center. This is the center. Then equal parts. This is the equal parts of the semicircle. This is the equal parts of the semicircle, and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and then 12. This is the equal parts of the semicircle. Then next step will be the divide the angular displacement cap during the outstroke and return stroke into the same number of parts. This is the same outstroke. It is given as the outstroke. Suppose this is the theta naught and this is the theta d and this is the theta r. This parts is a equal parts, that is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. This is the given as the problem theta naught, and then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is the 6 part will be divided, that is the outstroke and return stroke is given as the problem, so that it is a projection line. This is the projection line of the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, this is the projection line of the cam angle. Then again projection about this. Okay, this is the projection line. Okay, this is the projection line of the stroke of the displacement diagram. This is the projection. This is the again projection, then again projection, then again projection. Then intersection point, that is this one. Now to me A. Okay, this point again intersection B, C, again D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay, this point will be intersection of the projection of the cam angle and the lip displacement. Okay, then join this curve as like, okay, join this curve as like. Okay, then again join this line, again join this line, that is this curve is known as the displacement diagram. This curve is known as the displacement diagram. Okay, this is the rise, this distance is known as the dwell, and this is the return. This is the return. This figure shown as the simple harmonic motion of displacement diagram. Okay, this is the displacement diagram by using the simple harmonic motion to draw the cam and follower. Okay, this is a simple. Okay, thank you.